Mahakumbh, a celebration of spirituality, religion, equality, and all things holy, has started on Jan 13th in Prayagraj, India. The Grand Mahakumbh, which is hosting people of all faiths, classes, countries, and diversity, only has one motto: bringing the world together in spirituality. The Mahakumbh Mela, held every 12 years, takes place in rotation at four sacred locations: Prayagraj, Haridwar, Ujjain, and Nasik. And the location of the Kumbh Mela is decided according to the specific planetary alignments. One of the most famous types of Kumbh Mela is the Magh Mela, that is held every year, and so is an annual fair that attracts people from all over India. It has the everyday, simple ritual bathing, the Ganga Snan, the fairs and rites that are classic to Melas. Then comes the Ardha Kumbh, once every 6 years, and is a little more famous than the Magh Melas. The Ardha Kumbh happens only once in 6 years. People await the dates, and the Ardha Kumbh of 2019 was a grand sight to say the least. Next comes the Purna Kumbh, once every 12 years, and was last celebrated in 2013. And the biggest of all is the Mahakumbh, believed to come only once every 144 years and after the completion of 12 Purna Kumbhs. It is one of the most powerful, auspicious, and holy collectives in decades. The Sanskrit word kumbh means pitcher or pot. The story goes that when Devas and Asuras churned the ocean, Dhanvantri emerged carrying a pitcher of Amrita, or the elixir of immortality. To make sure the Asuras don't get it, Indra's son Jayant ran off with the pot. The sun, his son Shani, Brihaspati, and the moon went along to protect him and the pot. As Jayant ran, the Amrita split at four spots: Haridwar, Prayagraj, Ujjain, and Nasik, Triambakeshwar. He ran for 12 days, and as one day of the Devas is equal to 1 year of humans, Kumbh Mela is celebrated at these locations every 12 years, based on the relative positions of the Sun, the Moon, and the Jupiter. Prayagraj and Haridwar also hold the Ardha Kumbh every 6 years. The festival held after 12 years is called the Purna Kumbh or the Mahakumbh. All the four places are located on the banks of rivers. Haridwar has the Ganga. Prayagraj is the Sangam or meeting point of Ganga, Yamuna, and the mythical Saraswati. Ujjain has the Shipra, and Nasik, Triambakeshwar, has the Godavari. It is believed that taking a dip in these rivers during Kumbh amid the specific alignment of the heavenly bodies washes away one's sins and accrues punya. Kumbh Melas are also the venue where sadhus and other holy men gather. The sadhu akhadas attracting a lot of curiosity, and regular people can meet them and learn from them. The Kalpavas in Mahakumbh. During the Kumbh Mela, some of the most sincere devotees stay in spiritual retreats that are known as Kalpavas. Kalpavasis, as these devotees are called, live for the whole 40 to 45 days in the Mela and live a disciplined and minimalistic life. The Kalpavasis are expected to wake up early, take a dip in the Triveni Sangam, and spend the day with their gurus, meditating, reciting scriptures, and performing rituals. They are also supposed to eat simple sattvic meals that are made for all devotees and keep away from the material luxuries of life. How is the site of a Kumbh Mela decided? This depends on astrological calculations. Another reason for the 12-year gap in Kumbh Mela is explained by the fact that Jupiter takes 12 years to complete a revolution around the Sun. According to the Kumbh Mela website, when Jupiter is in Aquarius or Kumbh Rashi and Sun and Moon in Aries and Sagittarius respectively, Kumbh is held at Haridwar. when the Jupiter is in Taurus and the Sun and Moon are in Capricorn or Makar, the Kumbh is held at Prayag. When Jupiter is in Leo or Simha and the Sun and Moon in Cancer, the Kumbh is held at Nashik and Triambakeshwar, which is why they are also called the Simhasta Kumbh. Thank you so much for watching the video. Kindly subscribe to my channel for more such interesting content.